About 45% of adults snore occasionally, and chances are you might be one of those. If not, you either maybe live with a snorer or know someone who snores. Joining us now with some snoring solutions is Dr. Eric Cohen, director of the Cure Snoring Center here in the city. Doctor, welcome to the show. Snoring causes a lot of heartache. It also causes some serious medical problems. First of all, tell us, why do we snore?
Most people who snore have some type of obstruction in their upper airway. That can be due to obstruction in the nose, the palate at the back of the throat, the base of the tongue. It could also be related to being overweight and the extra fat constricting the upper airway.
All right, now this can be serious business. I mean, people can get divorced over this kind of thing. I mean, this can cause some serious relationship issues. It also can cause some serious health issues as well. It's just not a minor sort of thing that you laugh about. Tell us about some of these.
No, snoring is a very major issue for a lot of people, both in their relationships and for their health. Snoring can be a sign of sleep apnea, and in that condition, the oxygen levels actually drop while you're sleeping at night. This causes your heart to work harder. You can develop high blood pressure. You can have cardiac arrhythmias and actually die in your sleep.
Serious, serious business.
Yes.
No, not just something to laugh about. All right, let's talk about some solutions that are non-surgical. You can tell us how they work. You got these Breathe Right type strips, these nasal strips. They go on the nose. They sort of pull your nostrils open a little bit. Do they work?
They can help some people. One of the common misconceptions out there is that a lot of snoring is due to obstruction of the nasal airway. And I see all sorts of patients who've had their nose operated on, have their septum fixed, but still snore afterwards.
So it's not just that?
It's typically not just that. And you really need a full evaluation to know where the snoring is coming from.
Give it a shot, see if it works?
Give it a shot. It's cheap, it's easy, it's painless. If it doesn't work, then look further.
We've got a very interesting looking pillow here. Tell us about this.
It's called the Sona Pillow. It's one of the latest devices that tries to keep you in a certain position and minimize the snoring. And a lot of people, when you are on your back, the snoring is worse because the tongue collapses against the posterior pharyngeal wall.
What's your analysis of the pillow? What do you think?
The pillow can work for some people, but in general, I feel people just want to sleep, not have to worry about the position that they're in, and be comfortable, so I don't advocate it.
All right. What do you got right here? This looks like serious business here.
This is serious business. This is a CPAP machine.
Okay, what's a CPAP machine?
CPAP machine stands for continuous positive airway pressure. It's the mask here is hooked to a machine that's by your bed, and while you're sleeping at night, it blows in air under pressure to open up the airway. This does help with snoring, but really is a treatment for more severe sleep apnea.
Boy, it'd have to be severe, because who would really want to put that on? That looks so intense.
I don't really consider this a treatment for snoring. I think this is an excellent treatment for someone who has severe sleep apnea, where their heart is at risk, their health is at risk, they're very fatigued during the day, they're falling asleep while they're driving their car.
This is pretty serious to make me wear that.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get to the last procedure. It's called, is it the pillar procedure?
Yeah, it's called the pillar implant.
And this is something you guys perform?
This is something I perform. The pillar implant is a device that I think is an excellent treatment for snoring. It's also a treatment for mild to moderate sleep apnea. It's basically a small implant that's put into the soft palate that stiffens the palate. By stiffening it, it keeps it from vibrating, gets rid of the loudest sounds that occur at night.
Outstanding. Dr. Cohen, thank you very much. It's very interesting. For more information on the Cure Snoring Center in New York and this procedure, meet us on the web, WPIX.com/morning news. Sukanya.